In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Analytics Debugger. Google Analytics Debugger is a powerful tool for troubleshooting and understanding your analytics data better. It's especially useful when you need to dive into the details of your Google Analytics setup and ensure everything is working as expected. So, let's walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is to install the Google Analytics Debugger extension. You'll find it readily available on the Chrome Web Store. Just open your Chrome browser and search for the Google Analytics Debugger. When you find it, click the Add to Chrome button, and a dialog will pop up. Go ahead and confirm the installation. What's great about using Chrome extensions is how they integrate seamlessly into your browser, making them easy to access whenever you need them. Once the extension is installed, you should notice a new icon in your browser's toolbar. This is the Google Analytics Debugger icon. Clicking this icon is essential for activating the debugger. When you do, look for a message that says GA Debug On, confirming that the debugger is active. It's worth double-checking this to ensure you're properly set up before moving forward. With the debugger now active, the next crucial step is to refresh your web page. Refreshing your page is important because it allows the debugger to start capturing the analytics hits right from the beginning. Think of it as a fresh start for collecting data, like giving your analytics a clean slate to write on. This simple action helps the debugger collect all the necessary information it needs to provide you with detailed insights into your analytics processes. As you get more hands-on experience with the Google Analytics Debugger, you'll appreciate its functionality. Whether you're testing new tags or verifying that your data collection protocols are in place, having this tool in your arsenal makes your job much easier. Over time, you'll find that using the debugger becomes second nature, and it will prove invaluable when you need to solve any analytics-related puzzles that come up. In summary, using Google Analytics Debugger provides a clear window into your analytics setup. By carefully installing the extension, toggling it on, and refreshing your page, you'll ensure that you capture the necessary data to make informed decisions about your site's performance. Remember to consult the logs it generates, as they offer detailed insights into the interactions happening on your site. I hope this tutorial helps you harness the power of Google Analytics Debugger effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you next time.